Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in that segment called Lavonne's Kitchen's Quick Tasty Tips. And before we get into the tip of the day, I want you to hit that subscribe button. So, my tip of today is using salsa, chunky salsa to be specific. So a lot of my recipes will call for onions and peppers and things like that. Instead of chopping up all of that, I'll use salsa. Yes, salsa. It has onions, it has peppers, it has tomatoes, it has so many seasonings in it. So I like to use salsa in a lot of my recipes. I'll use it in my chili, I'll use it in my jambalaya. Check out some of those videos on my channel and see how I used it. But I use it in so many things. It makes things so much easier. It's tasty, it's quick, and it is delicious. Try it, and I'll see you next time in Lavonne's Kitchen. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Bye.